The Bucket family went about from morning till night with a terrible rumbling in their tummies. Charlie felt the worst of all, but once a year he got a very special treat.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Charlie! Here you go, Charlie. Happy birthday, my love. It's from all of us.
Go on, boy, open it.
It's a wonka sweet and scrumptious fudge mallow delight.
The best of them all, real whipple, carefully whipped at 270 RPMs for precisely 62.3 seconds.
Grandpa, please. I thought we agreed on an arithmetic.
The fudge mallow's the best, and you know it, Charlie. Go on, Charlie, open her up. Show us what thinking positive's all about.
Now, don't be too disappointed, my darling, if you don't find what you're looking for.
The thing to remember is whatever happened, you still have a bar of candy. Yes, I know.
For goodness sakes, open it, boy.
Please open it. You're making me jumpy. Well, that's bad. Who wants peace?
We wouldn't dream of it, Charlie.
Come on, Dad. Have a piece. You deserve something special. Losing a job.
What? Charlie, it's not true. Charlie, that's not funny. Tell me it's not true.
We'll starve. It is true. And will not starve. Now, what kind of party is this? It's predictable. Put on the TV. Mr. Bucket's right. What needs more electricity? Charlie, plug in the TV.
Really? This is the best birthday